ever wondered what kind of machine needs to be used to create that perfectly flat base material before they put pavers to make a patio or a driveway, this is the tool that does that job. Now, I call it a whacker packer, but if you want to be really serious about it, you can call it by its formal name, which is a plate compactor. And basically what this does is it compacts, it takes all the fine base material and really shakes it all down and pushes it down and compacts it all together to give you that nice solid base that you're going to need to build any kind of, foundation. It's a foundation to be used in any kind of paver situation. Now, if you're a homeowner and you're a DIYer, you definitely want to go out and rent one of these. They are available locally here where we live. They're available at Home Depot, but these are available for rent, and they are going to be what's going to give you that professional product that you can't get if you don't use the same things that the professionals use, and this is definitely that. Now, this is also going to maybe not prevent, but it will definitely be your insurance policy against cracks when it comes in moving pavers and things like that, because if that base material is moving, then those pavers on top are going to do the same thing. So if you're at home and you're DIYing this, or if you hire a professional and you don't see them using one of these, you know it's being done not the right way. So make sure that your landscapers are using this to install the base material, and if you're DIYing it at home, make sure that you're renting one to use too.